Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, today in this video you will be able to watch beautiful sandals with beautiful feet of the ladies. Dear viewers, as you all know that high heel sandals are timeless fashion. These heels have many benefits. One of the key benefit is wearing high heel sandals makes you appear taller, and it also enhance your confidence and your personality aura. So dear viewers, I suggest you to watch this video till the end, because in this video I assemble a beautiful collection of high heel sandals which will make you surprised and happier. So dear viewers, if you wanted to buy these high heel sandals online, then you can buy them from Amazon.com, eBay.com, and AliExpress.com. Friends, I always try my best to bring you useful content and useful ideas. So don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section, that how was the video and how was the designs. And also suggest me in the comment section that which kind of content you want to watch at my YouTube channel. So goodbye friends, till the next video. See you soon with another beautiful collection of high heel sandals for the ladies.